There are many effective chemical pesticides available, but if you're looking for organic and natural alternatives, there are many choices, and one of them is cloves. Cloves and clove oil are rapidly acting, all-natural insect killers that are effective against many pests. If you want to keep bugs and pests away, keep whole cloves and clove oil nearby for an all-natural solution to your pest problem. Here are the best ways to use cloves. 1. Ants. Cloves can repel ants. In addition to disrupting their scent trails, clove oil kills ants on contact. Clove oil contains Eugenol. Eugenol is a fast-acting natural insecticide that's effective against ants. Although the exact mechanism of how it kills is still up for debate, it's believed that Eugenol is neurotoxic, meaning that it kills insects by targeting their nervous system. To use clove oil to get rid of ants, add water into a spray bottle. Next, add 25 drops of clove essential oil. For extra potency, add a similar amount of drops of tea tree essential oil and peppermint essential oil. Then shake it well until blended. Label the bottle and place it in a safe, cool place away from kids and pets. To use it, spray it around ant-infested areas to repel insects. 2. Flies. Cloves and citrus can get rid of pesky flies and keep your home looking lovely. The strong smell of the cloves and citrus irritates the fly's sense of smell and chases them off. This fragrant citrus and clove deterrent looks great on your dining room or coffee table, entrance table, or outside patio table and is inexpensive to make. Simply take your favorite citrus fruit and puncture it with multiple whole cloves around the surface of the fruit. The strong smell of the cloves and citrus irritates the fly's sense of smell and chases them off. 3. Mice. The strong aroma of cloves when released into an area is known to be unpleasant to mice, and they'll avoid areas where cloves are present. To use cloves as a mouse repellent, you can place whole cloves or clove essential oil in areas where mice are likely to enter, such as near doors and windows or in corners of rooms. You can also make a sachet with cloves and place it in your pantry or in cabinets where you store food. You can also make a mouse repellent using clove oil. To do this, mix 5 to 10 drops of clove oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake the bottle to mix the ingredients. Spray the mixture in areas where you think mice may enter, such as doorways, windowsills, and cracks in walls. To ensure effectiveness, reapply the mixture weekly or as needed. Clove oil is an easy, non-toxic way to deter mice from entering your home. 4. Silverfish. Silverfish don't like the smell of cloves. Dried cloves contain eugenol, which repels silverfish. To use cloves to get rid of silverfish, take some cloves in small bowls and place them in the corners of your house that are prone to silverfish infestation. You can also put some cloves in small muslin pouches and place them inside your wardrobes and washroom cabinets to keep silverfish away. To succeed in getting rid of all the silverfish, you must be consistent with this method and combine with other remedies as well. 5. Stink bugs. If you swat or step on a stink bug, this insect will release a nasty odor. Instead, you can take matters into your own hands in a less violent way using cloves. Like other insects and animals, stink bugs are repulsed by strong smells. Cloves will repel stink bugs and clove oil will kill them. To use cloves, sprinkle a handful of whole cloves on windowsills, around doorways, and on doormats in your home. If the problem is extreme, purchase clove oil to spray around windows and doors outside. While the whole cloves will repel and prevent stink bugs, clove oil will kill them off. Keep in mind, though, that clove oil can be toxic to even beneficial insects, so consider dried cloves first and use clove oil sparingly. 6. Clothes moths. Cloves are a top 3 pick for the most fragrant and natural way to get rid of clothes moths. Not only do cloves smell wonderfully delicious, slightly sweet and spicy, but they also offer great natural ways to get rid of clothes moths. Make your own natural moth-repelling sachet with stiff fabric such as organza, or wrap whole cloves in tissue paper and hang them in your closet. Cloves are a natural alternative to mothballs, minus the harsh chemicals and irritating smell. 7. Bedbugs. When used correctly, clove oil can be an effective way to kill bedbugs. It's important to note, however, that clove oil should only be used as a spot treatment and should not be sprayed directly on your bedding or furniture. If you have pets or small children, you'll also want to take care to keep them away from areas that have been treated with clove oil. To use clove oil for bed bugs, start by mixing together equal parts clove oil and water in a spray bottle. Then apply the mixture to any areas where you've seen bed bugs or where they're likely to hide, such as in cracks and crevices. Be sure to apply the spray liberally so the bed bugs will come into contact with it and be killed. If you're dealing with a severe bed bug infestation, you may need to repeat this treatment several times before the bugs are completely eradicated. However, clove oil can be a helpful tool in your fight against those pesky pests. 8. Cockroaches. Whole cloves and clove oil can kill and repel cockroaches because they contain eugenol, a natural insecticide. To use whole cloves, put them in small packets and store them in the fridge and racks where cockroaches like to frequent. Doing this would help reduce cockroach infestations. If you want to use clove oil, it works best against cockroaches with other essential oils like citrus oil or peppermint extract. Mix a few drops of these oils with 1 liter of water and spray the mixture in and around infested locations. 9. Rats. Just like mice, clove oil can repel rats as well. Rats don't like the strong aroma of clove oil. Clove oil is a clean and spicy smell that confuses the senses of rodents, so they'll start seeking shelter in a different direction than your delicate veggies and cozy home. The most effective way to repel rats is by soaking cotton balls with clove oil and placing them in areas around your home prone to rats. Corners of your home, windowsills, and vents are popular points of entry, so plan to place your cotton balls in those areas. Cotton rags soaked in clove oil are just as effective as cotton balls. You can hang rags outside over fences and decks, or you can tuck them under your welcome mats. While pure clove oil works to fight off the rats, you'll also find that it repels many other insects and pests from around your home. Another effective DIY method is to create your own spray containing clove oil to repel rats. Mix your own rat repellent by combining 10 to 20 drops of clove oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle, then shake and spray. Be sure to spray the repellent in areas prone to rats. If you find that rats are feasting on your garden outside, you can also spray the mixture directly on veggies and plants. While the mixture itself will pose no harm to your plants and veggies, it's important to note that repellents should be used in early morning or evening to avoid direct sunlight after application until dried. The clove spray also works as an effective mosquito repellent and will work to repel other bugs and insects from your garden plants. 10. Deer. If deer are causing damage to your garden, you can install a wire fence or retaining wall around your garden, but it'll be quite expensive. Another solution is to use cloves for this purpose. Deer have sensitive noses and they mainly avoid areas with an intense smell. Therefore, you can sprinkle cloves generously in powdered form or spray its solution on the border plants. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests using tea tree oil. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.